Well, hello there. Hi. 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 It's me. Yeah. Yeah, it's me. She's alive. Yes. So, we're going to go see. We're going to see if these work. Okay? Happy Monday. How are you? I'm good. I'm glad you asked. Have a blessed life. Have a blessed day. Be good to yourself and be good to others. And always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. This whole world needs to be a much better place, okay? So you got to do that, all right? You right here, you have to make sure that this world is a better place. Tell everybody you know. Tell them, okay? Let them know they have to do good, okay? I love you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Oh gosh, what happened? Is there no power? We did charge her. We thought we charged her. But guys, she fits. And that's all she wrote. I'll see you in the next clip. Don't forget what I said, okay? She's back. All right, y'all, we're back. I'm going to show you guys some things really quick around here, the home, that we have been getting taken care of. So without further ado, if you want to see it, then just continue to watch. But in the meantime, I'm going to cut off my food because before I leave, well, I made some beans and rice because I am going to incorporate some chickenless fake chicken and some broccoli and onions in this meal. But I wanted to have my beans cooked and my rice cooked this morning before I leave so I can let them cool off and I can put them away so we can have leftovers. So here is the rice. So it is all done and fluffy. And here is my black beans. Ooh, wait, they look good, y'all, don't they? Look at that. So without further ado, let's check out some other stuff. So I'm gonna turn this camera around and I'm gonna show y'all something that I am extremely proud about. I try to I can't show y'all everything because I tell y'all all the time, if you tell all your business and show everything, you have nothing for yourself. Am I right? I know I'm right, right? So I'm gonna turn this camera around and show you guys some installations that were done, and I really, really love them. So without further ado, you guys, look. Y'all, I absolutely love. Let me back it up so we could talk about it a little bit. Y'all see it? Do y'all see it? If you don't see it, then something's wrong with your sight. Do y'all see what I see? Okay, so as you can see, voila! Thumbnail, right? Yeah. Curtains are hung all the way to the top as far as they can be hung. That's what they did. I really, really like it. I love the fact that they are no longer hanging on the floor, which is a beautiful thing, along with these here. It just looks absolutely beautiful. So you guys know there's 2 panels on this side and 1 on this side. So there's 3 here total and just 2 on here total. So whenever I come across another one, I will be putting a 3rd longer one on that side. But I just wanted to show you the installations of the curtain rods. New. I love it. So y'all, let me know what y'all think. I know y'all like it. I know you like it. Look at that. Let me show y'all a little closer. Look at that. Just touching the floor. Beautiful, right? It was a beautifully done job, and I'm really happy about it. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. And then I'll come back and then I'll show you guys how my little, what is it? Oh my gosh, I can't stop looking at that. Y'all look how, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Let me turn around. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'll show you guys me DIYing the, what is it? I'm trying to tell. I'll show you what I was trying to DIY, and then I'll show you what it looks like, okay? Guys, you don't have to tell me she's beautiful, right? Look at her. Oh my gosh, it really turned out really nice, y'all. I really like that up against the other one. So that's how they look together. And I don't know if you guys remember, this was actually on something else that I was going to let go, and I ended up letting the piece go, but I kept the wood. And you want to see further, so I just glued it to that with some of that tacky glue or whatever it's called. He had in his truck, and well, actually it's in the craft box now, but yeah, and that's what it looks like. It matches the other one really good. So yeah, y'all, let me know in the comments what do you think. So pretty soon I'm going to be doing a newly updated kitchen tour, and I know you guys are gonna love it. And I'm gonna be doing a new living room tour. I have one more project we're trying to work on, and yeah, guys, just stay tuned for more. So I'll see you guys in a little while. All right, yeah, I had to come back because I forgot to show you guys. It slipped my mind really quick, but I end up putting the peace lily plant in this one. So actually, I am going to either sell this to somebody with the natural pot, which is from IKEA. You probably remember when I bought that when we went to Michigan. Well, no, we went to Detroit, I think. But I end up putting her in this pot, and I'm just gonna let her until someone hits me up and say I want her. First, it was like, remember, I think I told y'all I was gonna put her. She was in like a pot, but they were gonna have to bring their own pot. So now they don't have to. So the price that I want for it is really going to be amazing, because I mean, really is good for the person who is a plant person, because they're getting a really nice fresh pot and they're getting a really nice good plant. So I'm going to show you guys what I did with the other. So you guys should remember I had that little white pot in here on the wow, I'll show you. I had the white pot sitting here with the sticks in it, but since I took the sticks out and put them in the metal thing I showed you guys that I DIY, that I did repurpose and sprayed it gold and put it in the bedroom, she's no longer here. But I did put my bookends like that and just let it stay as so. I like it this simple. Y'all know I love simple look. So yeah, and then here is the Uplook pillow. Can y'all see it? I love the texture of it. So yeah, I did take the other pot, like I said, the white pot that was in here. I'm going to show you guys. I put it in the kitchen, and she looks good in the kitchen. She really looks good in the kitchen. So, yeah, that's about it in here. So I'll show you guys the pot in the kitchen. So hold on. So guys, that is her right there. I put the Sansevieria that was actually in the old IKEA pot that I just showed you guys. I took her out of the IKEA pot and put her in this, and I put her in the kitchen, and I think she looks really, really nice. So what I end up doing, guys, is putting my new coffee cups right here, and I think it looks really, really nice. It looks very simple and sleek right here. And then I just put the wood tray inside the sink for now, until, you know, like when these dry, I'll put them up before I leave. But I just really like that right there. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll be seeing you guys probably a little later this afternoon or evening. And if I don't be able to come back, I'm just so enjoying my curtains, y'all. Hung so high. Oh my God, it's so professional. They did a good job. But anyway, what was it to say? If I don't come back in this video, you guys will see me in another video really, really soon. I don't know if you guys can tell behind me. Look, it's gone. So that wall is getting worked on too. So it had, well, there is, it's been puttied like a couple of times. So I guess after it dries and they go over it again or whatever, it will be getting painted. And I'll just show you guys that in another video. So guys, I will see y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Be blessed, guys. I love you so much. And always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Peace and love, guys. What's going on? She don't want to leave, y'all. She doesn't want to say bye. Look at that. Ooh, curtains hung high, y'all. Just gives it a good look.